Hey everyone, Brandon here. Welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to talk about something that I found kind of interesting, and that is how I turn obstacles into opportunities in a business setting, right? So think about this. Every business hits walls. Some have a failed launch, a bad hire. Obviously there was a global pandemic, but what if those setbacks weren't just setbacks? Today I'm going to talk about how to flip these obstacles into potential opportunities, because sometimes your toughest moments hide the breakthrough that you will need. Now, to get started, let's talk about your mindset, because how you see this obstacle often determines whether or not you can rise or collapse. When you see an obstacle as a stop sign, your brain's probably going to shut down, but when you see it as a redirect, your creativity or your pivoting sets in. Let's take a common example, right? Your product isn't selling, you panic. Or do you pause and ask yourself, is it pricing? Is it messaging? Audience mismatch? Is there something the data is trying to tell me? Reframing using these questions becomes powerful in a way that you pivot. You're not going to fail, you're collecting intel. You see, difference? So I'll share a real moment from my own journey, right? I launched a product I believed in. It was great. It was wonderful. I thought it was good. I built the funnel, ran the ads, and it was dead. Almost like this YouTube channel. Dead. Almost no sales. Dead. At first, obviously, I was devastated, but when I dug deeper into it, I found that my messaging was speaking to me, not my customer. I was too technical, too broad. So I ended up rewriting everything. And then within a couple weeks, sales jumped. Same product, same audience, different approach. The obstacle forced me to slow down, rethink, and rebuild smarter. It's not a failure, it's feedback. The perspective matters. So let's look at 3 common business roadblocks and how you might mine gold from each. Any golden goose, any golden nugget, you want to take it. So the first one comes from low sales or flat revenue. Instead of cutting everything, use it as a signpost. Is there a product customers keep asking that you're not offering? Are there upsells, bundles, cross promotions that you're ignoring? This is a chance to listen harder, niche tighter, and increase average order value. Second thing, negative feedback or reviews. Sounds scary, right? But this is going to be your real-time user research method, free of charge. Instead of defending yourself, you should ask, is there truth here that I can act on? What can I tweak or turn to make this into a champion experience? Some of the best products in the world get better from those harsh reviews. The third thing, a major disruption, either from the economy, technical innovation, supply chain. When things like this shift, most people panic, but opportunity lives in how you adapt to those. Did remote work create new needs you can fill? Did AI wipe old workflows but open new ones? Be the one who responds fast and with quality, not one who freezes and dies. So, with that being said, here's a process that you can use whenever something like this goes wrong, right? Step 1, you're going to want to pause. Don't react to it. Avoid a set emotional decision-making personality switch, essentially. Let the dust settle and look at what is happening objectively. Step 2, you want to diagnose the root cause in the business. Ask, what exactly happened? Why? Data beats drama. After that, step 3 is brainstorm without blaming. Instead of saying, who messed up, ask, what can we build from this? Involve your team, involve your customers. Get the audience to tell you what went wrong in an objective and impartial way. Then you can rebuild based on that. After that, step 4, make a micro pivot. You don't always need to go full ham. Sometimes just shifting something small, either the offer, the price, or maybe shifting an audience focus is enough. Lastly, step 5, test and iterate it quickly. Failing fast, learning faster. Your first recovery idea may not be the final one, but it gets you moving and it gets your mindset and habit changing fast. Now let me give you a rapid fire dose of proof on which this has worked in the past for other companies. Slack is number one example. It started as a failed gaming company, but now its chat features have become the business. Airbnb was another one. It launched during the 2008 recession because people needed extra money, and now it's a thriving multi-billion-dollar industry. Netflix has shifted from DVDs to streaming. You remember Redbox? Redbox had Netflix. You remember Netflix mailing it straight to you? Most people said it was going to be a flop. Look at where it is now. Obstacles weren't their end. They were just inflection points to pivot. Now, if you take anything away from this, let it be the following. Obstacles don't mean you're on the wrong path. They often mean you're on the edge of something better if you're willing to adapt, learn, and move. Now, if this video helped you reframe what you see in your business, what you see in obstacles, and how you want to move forward, drop a comment with the biggest business obstacle that you've faced. If you have a differing opinion, let me know. We all like to learn, and I would love to learn how you overcame your obstacles. If you found it helpful, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.